All the food. Why do you have to?
Hi, you can split it.
Hey.
Hi.
It's you. You guys sleep with some Ethan, you need to take the bag. I took it most of the way. Ow! Get off of my face. Yeah, set up the lantern.
Everyone seems a damn genius lately. TikTok talking, late night TV is still some. I have yet to know.
You want me to do it?
Get dressed up just to go downtown in some ego-filled late night crowd. Seems to be where I feel most alone. I like to get lost on some old back road, find a shade tree and a honey hole. And
alright, let's get the fire up.
What's up, vlog? Here I am in my hammock. Set it up in about 5 minutes with the boys took about 50 to set up there.
Really, Bryce? Really?
So I'm relaxing.
I held that tent.
Relaxing. In
I held that tent.
Hammock. Just gonna sleep here probably. Not afraid of anything. I'm above ground, so no critters will get to me.
What about the
Snakes, the snakes.
what about the tree spiders? What about the tree spiders?
The tree spiders, they're gonna be reflected by mine.
What about the barking geckos?
Love my lady long hard and lay down lines of laying guitar.
Alright, what's the tour of the tent?
Alright, so basically, we got City's side of the tent. They're really taking up a lot of space, so we gotta take that away from them. You got Jackson's side, it's a little mat. You probably end up sleeping with Bryce because he's. We got Luke Swingle's pillow, and then we got my sleeping bag, and I'm in the middle, of course, because
That was a ranger. He had a ranger hat on.
he's definitely joking.
I wanna be a child climbing trees somewhere, breathing in the fresh outside air. Before I knew this life was unkind, I want a well-trained dog on a couple of acres, a kind lady and a place to take her. A few good friends I can count on one of my hands. I know I'm bound to die one day, so when I reach those golden gates, I pray to say I did the best I can. Sit with my mother and the dearly departed, send a prayer down to the broken hearted, let them know.
How were they?
The s'mores?
No, you already ate the s'mores?
Yeah.
Swingle, tell me, how are the hot dogs?
Cooked to perfection, I will not lie.
Let's freaking go.
We have like a lot of hours left.
What's up, vlog? By the end of the night, this log will be solved. It's actually surprisingly doing pretty well.
It's doing pretty well.
He started like a minute ago.
Not even, but I'm already out of breath. I will say that.
Jackson, you got to be part of the joy of round 2 of the bacon. How would you say it was? Yeah. You didn't get to try round 1.
Even though I didn't try it, actually.
Oh! Luke, how would you say round 2 bacon was?
Compared to round 1, I think it was better cooked. Round 1 was a little better in my opinion.
Round 1 was better. Ethan chilling like a villain.
saved it all for that.
Why didn't we think to put this over here last night?
Yeah, I feel like this is a really good spot to have the hammock.
Because then we have this little rock to like push off of so we can like swing.
Me and Bryce were like calculating when to swing our legs to get a good like.
What I do best, guys, give me a break.
We also just almost tossed the pan at me. That was sick, Jackson was so.
You actually are filming that?
Oh, wait until I have to repeat, actually repeat.
What? You don't have to pee?
It's almost there.
Why are you up there? This is your daily interview with Bryce. It's been a pretty good 12 to 14 hours. Everybody's pretty tired, but we're pretty happy. So hopefully we can do this again and